When a leader releases one hand and brings the other hand towards the center and then they step back, they're basically initiating the cumbia and the shoulder orientation is mirrored. Now I know the moves can look very similar and you might think, oh well, if it looks similar enough then I'm doing that right. But that's not really the case, so we're going to break down why the other answers aren't correct. With the Titanic, although it is commonly initiated with an open break, take note of the fact that Vince has let go of one of Carol's hands after having done the open break. Is this how the Titanic is done? Not really. You can see here that the leader holds on to both of the followers' hands, so it doesn't make sense that Vince would let go of one of Carol's hands. Now look at the optional videos at the end for an example of the Titanic. With outside right turns, so you seem to be on the right track, in case that's what you answered. Turns do only require the use of one hand rather than both, and the leader has let go of the follower's left hand, which means that the right hand is going to be used as the anchor hand. Outside turns do also require holding on to the right hand, but do you remember how a leader preps a turn? They don't do an open break, rather they do a J prep instead. If you want a demonstration of outside turns, look in the optional videos. And if you answered leg flare, although leg flares can occur with shoulders mirroring one another, remember that the leg flares are actually initiated with the leader putting pressure on the follower's shoulder blade, and both hands remain intact rather than just one. Now, can you think of another move that has the leader's and follower's shoulders mirroring each other? The cumbia does. And to see a leg flare in action, go to the optional videos. If you still have questions, post them in the discussion.